So how can you see messages on the Apple Watch? How does that work? Let me show you all that you really need to know about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, the messages on the Apple Watch have their own dedicated app, right? So similar to the iPhone, the green icon with like a text bubble on it, it's for the messages, and you can get inside. Most likely the messages should be synced, so the very same threads and conversation that you have on the iPhone should also appear on the watch. So of course, in order to see all of the messages, just get inside of the threads. You can scroll through, reply, all of that kind of stuff. It's pretty intuitive. However, you should also note that when you go to the Watch app on the iPhone, you can head over to the Messages section, and this is where some of the things might be tweaked. For example, in terms of like the notifications, you might decide to allow them or mirror the settings from the iPhone or choose something else for the watch only, right? Then we get to pick like between the alerts, haptics. Some people don't like the sounds, right, to be delivered, only the vibrations, which are like the haptics, right? So it depends, right? And at the bottom, you have like the grouping, replies, read receipts. So that's how you can see messages and set it up in a way that makes sense for you specifically on the Apple Watch. Now, in case you have something very specific that you've been wondering about and kind of like thinking, make sure to let me know about that below. It is possible I'll make an updated video about it in the future as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.